Hello. In this video, we will discuss the summary data action in Google Sheets. I'm going to use formulas to complete these actions, so this video is at the novice level. Okay, let's go ahead and get started then. So the data that I'm going to be working with here is information regarding the number of children that are uninsured. I'm looking at a particular age category, 4, which is for people under the age of 19. And then I'm also looking at an income category 3, which is for individuals that are in the poorest income bracket. I'm going to show you how to do this when the fields are labeled. So here we have the fields labeled using the named ranges. And then I will also show you how to work with when the entire data table is labeled. So not individual fields, but the entire data table, which is more common. Okay, so I'm going to want to create a new sheet down here with the plus button. I just need an empty sheet that I can put my information on. Blow this up a little bit so that you can see. And what I'm going to do is just a simple sum is my summary that I need to compute. So I want the uninsured rate for the entire United States. So I'm going to first have to sum up the number of people, and then I need to sum up the number that are uninsured. Okay, and again, these have been named, these columns or fields have been named here. So the summary that I'm going to compute is the total number. So I'm going to go equal sum and open parentheses. So this is a formula, so I need an equal and then open parentheses. And then I'm simply going to type in the field name that I have named here. So the sum of number and group is what I want. There are a variety of different summary measures that can be used. So here I'm using the sum, but we might want to use an average. We might want to use a minimum or a maximum. We could be using a count. So there are a wide variety of summary actions that are possible. Here I'm just using the simple sum. So that'll obtain the sum for me across all of the counties, and this is just for the total number of children in the poorest income category. Now I need the total uninsured so that I can compute that uninsured rate. So here I'm going to do something similar, except now I'm going to be using the uninsured field. So simply an equal sum and then type in uninsured there, because that's the name of that field. Okay, now that I have these two quantities, then I'm ready to compute the overall percent. So here I would just do another formula, but this is just going to be the total uninsured divided by the total number of people. And that's going to be the